Today, I'm taking it easy and relaxing around the house and doing some very much needed plant care. Some of my plants is hanging on by a thread, y'all. I have to do better. So today, I'm repotting and just getting my plants together. I have so many plants that I literally got to set aside a whole day just to maintenance all of my plants. Look at this dead leaf. Get this mug up out of here. Repotting one of my alocasias. Yeah, sometimes it's a headache. Sometimes it's not. But I've been needing to repot it. I'm enjoying the spring weather, and it feels good to be working with my plants again. Something about having hands in soils, even if I am wearing gloves to protect the manicure. But it's something about working with my plants that just puts me in a good mood. They give you a boost of good energy. Y'all, look at this cute little water mister that I got. This is one of the biggest plants that I own. It actually has a twin. This is my Monstera. And it's an even bigger one in the house. But right now, this one needs my attention the most. It desperately needs to be repotted. Like, it needs to be repotted. I need to add some more soil to it, fresh soil, and I need to feed it so it could just stop drooping and wake up. But we gonna bring it back to life. Watch me do what I do. I added some fresh soil to the bottom, and I left the soil that was surrounding the majority of the roots on there because I didn't want to shock the plant. And now we topping it off with some fresh soil. We're going to pack it down and get it ready to get back in the house. I am holding off on watering all the plants that I repotted or did any type of work with today because I don't want to put them in full shock mode. I'll wait a couple of days and then I'll water all of them. It's to the point where I have to use this. I forgot what it's called, but I think it's like a plant lander or something of that sort, but it holds up your plants. Both of my monsteras have to have this because they are so heavy that it needs something quite strong to hold them straight up. And I'm just securing the back of the plants, making sure that all the branches that need support are basically connected to the metal bar to hold them down. And again, I'm just topping it off with some fresh soil, and then I'm going to pack it down to secure the plant. Finally done tussling with this big plant. Now it's time to get it back into the house. As y'all can see, it's drooping, but it will perk up when I water it in the next 2 days. And I'm just sitting it back in its rightful corner. I am about to repot this pothos and aloe vera, and they're about to be in their own plant pot. Just about to separate them and then get the patio cleaned up.